Ẹlẹ, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, 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 same thing. Ṣé o ti yé yín? Mo kàn fẹ́ sọ nǹkan fún yín ni o. Ṣé ẹ rí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ ẹ kí n sọ Yorùbá? Sorry to say but shame on you, like big shame. Kì í ṣe pé I can speak English and English is not my mother tongue, but I thank God for the gift of life. Like I really is a great gift God gave me, and I appreciate it. To speak this language fluently is a very sweet language. Like báwo lẹ ṣe ẹ tọmọ yín dàgbà tẹ́ ẹ ní kọ́ ní Yorùbá? Like ó sound somehow strange. Like ìjìnlẹ̀ ni, like it's your mother tongue. Why won't you? Like it's not supposed to be like that. Like for real, like for real, like money, Yoruba is local. Don't no. Don't let him go there. Let him go to one school to teach English. Yoruba is so local. Local pa ìyá. Yeah, local pa ìyá. You see I'm again. Local pa ìyá. Shame on you, like big shame. You go carry your own son, go grandma's house. Like how you go get mind take your son to your grandma's house? Your son no go hear him. You no go hear Yoruba. Your son go get there. Hey grandma ó ní kí leléyìí sọ? Yóò wá iná. Wá Àlàkẹ́ wá. Sórí rẹ̀ dàrú. Ṣé bó ṣe tọ́mọ dàgbà ni? Ọmọ àlè ni ọ́. Ẹ̀yin kì í tijú, like for real. Like I'm very proud. I say it with my full chest. Kì í ṣe pé Nigeria, for like at the moment I know what Nigerians are passing through in Nigeria. Almost everybody, like even Sakpa is real. I don't see Sakpa like this. I don't see this Sakpa. But you guys, I want to motivate people. Like I'm just not in TikTok just to people know that people, like to make people know that I understand Yoruba, but to motivate you guys that Yoruba is your mother tongue, and no matter what, be proud of your language. That's how it's supposed to be. Because Oyinbo say words. If you get it, if you don't get it, forget about it.